Hey everybody, today I'm showing you 4 cool desk toys. This is a chaotic fidget spinner that makes fun movement when you give it a spin on your desk to see the effect. There are other more advanced versions of this available as well, larger versions. This is a UFO spinner. So it's pretty well made. This is the brand, if you can find it. I've seen it on eBay. It's pretty rare, but people still sell it. With a spin. This is metal, so it's not one of those cheap toys, plastic. This is completely metal. This is the 𝐁𝐚𝐥𝐚𝐧𝐜 balancing eagle. It is strategically designed with this center of mass in a way. It creates this effect that it stays there no matter what you do. It's not designed to fall that easily, so you can move it around. I can also use this on my finger if I want. This is a gyro spinner, so it creates this cool optical illusion effect. It has this mechanism here that rotates. I bought this a few years ago actually from Germany. There are other versions available as well. It's supposed to go for a while when you give it a spin. Two of them are completely metal. The other ones, this one obviously is not, and that has parts that are not. But these are, you can see, this is completely metal. As far as I can see, this is obviously metal. This is still going. I didn't even give it that much of a spin. That's about this. Were 4 cool toys for your desk. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/Gadgetify. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I cover a lot of other cool products on Gadgetify. Just some of them I don't have, because I don't have the video for them, I cannot put them on the channel. So what you see on the channel is everything that I have and bought myself, or sometimes people give to me. But what I cannot cover because I don't have the rights to the video, I cover on the website. Thanks for watching.